The smartphone market is always buzzing with new releases, but every so often, a device comes along that promises to change the game. Samsung, the industry giant, has launched its new device, the Samsung Ultra 24. This flagship device boasts cutting-edge technology and an impressive array of features, but the question on everyone's mind is simple: does it live up to the hype? Let's take a closer look. The Ultra 24 enters a playing field crowded with competitors, each vying for the top spot. From Apple's latest iPhones to Google's Pixel devices, the battle for smartphone supremacy is fierce. However, Samsung is no stranger to this arena, and has consistently delivered devices that push the boundaries of what's possible. At first glance, the Samsung Ultra 24 is a sleek and stylish device. It features a large, vibrant display perfect for watching media or getting work done. Under the hood, you'll find the latest and greatest processor, ensuring a super smooth user experience. And let's not forget the camera system. Samsung has equipped it with some serious hardware, promising exceptional photo and video quality. One standout feature of the Ultra 24 is its new and improved display technology. Samsung claims to have made significant advancements in brightness, clarity, and color accuracy. Whether you're browsing the web, watching your favorite shows, or editing photos, the Ultra 24's screen promises to impress. In our benchmark tests, the Samsung Ultra 24 significantly outperformed the competition. The processor handled everything we threw at it with ease, from demanding games to heavy multitasking. Battery life was also impressive, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. And the camera? Let's just say it's one of the best we've ever tested. Compared to other leading smartphones on the market, the Ultra 24 stacks up extremely well. Its performance is on par with, if not better than, the latest offerings from Apple and Google. The camera system in particular is a standout feature that gives the Ultra 24 a competitive edge. So, is the Samsung Ultra 24 worth your hard-earned cash? In short, yes. It's a fantastic smartphone that excels in every important area. Whether you're a power user, a photography enthusiast, or simply want the best, the Ultra 24 is definitely worth considering. While the price may be a bit high for some, the Samsung Ultra 24 delivers a smartphone experience unlike any other. Its blend of cutting-edge technology, impressive performance, and exceptional camera capabilities makes it a worthy contender for the title of best smartphone on the market.